Video presentation. Hello, my name is Wilmar Leon. I am a student at SINA. This is money presentation for activity GA 124025188 and EP02 20. I am got introduced a member for my family. Let me start with some person information. My brother's name is Carlos. He is 24 years old and he builds with my family and me Medellin, Colombia. Carlos is a kind and responsible person. He is always willing to help others and he has a very positive attitude towards life. Now I guess too about his hobbies and interests. Carlos really enjoy listening to music, especially Latin music and pop. Music help Jim relic after a long day. He also he also likes paints soccer, gives his friend on weekends. This is one of his favorite activity because he can have fun, stay active, and share good moments with his te- teammates. And another hobby is watching movies. He prefers art action and comedy film, and sometimes he outs movies to her as family. Next, I want to describe his daily routine. Carlos Yushagi studies in the morning. After his class in the afternoon, he goes to work. In the evening, he spends time with of family. Gives Dicky usually have dinner to together to about our, our day and sometimes watch television. To finish, I want to say that my brother Carlos is a very special person to me. He is disciplined, friendly, and hardworking. I admire his dedication to study, his responsibility at work, and his want for our family. These are my presentation about my brother Carlos. Thank you very much for your attention.